Crash Courses. Today's crash course is on the diverse wildlife of the Amazon, which includes a collection of cuddly kitties, huggable reptiles, and downright fun-loving fishies.
Those are man-eating black panthers, pit vipers, and piranhas, sir.
Precisely, the 3 P's. And you know what else starts with P, Sandra? Study.
Study starts with an S, sir.
Close enough. I want to go study black panthers, pit vipers, and piranhas in the Amazon.
Actually, that's not a horrible idea, sir.
And then I'm going to play with them. And now for today's Fast Facts. Number 1. When measured by the amount of water it carries, the Amazon River is the largest in the world. Number 2. Part of the Amazon River flows through the Amazon rainforest, which has the largest number of plant species of any single environment on Earth. And finally, number 3. While not a man-eater, the red-bellied piranha that lives in the Amazon River is infamous for its aggression. Well, that was fascinating. To the Amazon. All right, I've made it to the Amazon River. Great Googa Mooga, I'm looking at a piranha right now. You're so cute. You're so cute. And I'm going in. Ow! I'm okay, except for this one little boo-boo on my finger. Hey there, little buddy. And look at all your friends. No! No, it nibbles. It nibbles so much. Ow. Well, I think that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.